Video product review of the Anker power bank. It is a power bank. 10,000 milliamps, PowerCore 3 wireless portable charger with QI, that means wireless, certified 10-watt wireless charging and 18-watt USB-C quick charge for iPhone 12, Mini, Pro, iPad, iPods, and more. Should work on your Samsung, should work on everything. What do they say about it? 10-watt max charging, USB-C to USB-A high-speed charging. 10 watts on the Samsung, 7.5 watts for the iPhone. The only way to get a faster thing than the 7.5 watts is you have to buy the official Apple charger. 5 watt standard charge mode, wireless earbuds, who knows? Okay, so if you look at my channel, I just did a video review of the 20,000 milliamp power bank from Anker, and then I returned it. I thought this is really cool, and I bought it on sale, and money's not really a big deal, so spending $38 on sale, not a big issue. But then I thought, do I really need it? Am I going to use it? Do I want it? I wanted a power bank, and then I also wanted a power bank that was wireless, and I thought, okay, so I'm going to get 10,000 milliamps instead of 20,000 if I buy this one, but it's wireless. So, and it's not like I really need to have a power bank. There it is. What do we have over here? We don't have really good lighting is what we don't have. USB-A. Let's get the lighting a little better. USB-A on the left, USB-C on the right. Looks like this is maybe a power switch. I guess so. We got a button over there. What's this thing? I have no idea what this thing is over here. Does anybody know what this thing is? Is this a hook? I hope it's not a hook because it wouldn't last too long. So let's press the button over here. Does it come on? It's a really weird switch. I don't see it coming on. I don't see anything to let me know. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's shut this off. So going to shut off. I had the same problem on my the 20,000. Their switches are really weird. If you like the video, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Affiliate links in the video description if you want to buy this. Okay, I think it's off right now. I don't know what the green light means. On the other one, on the 20,000, the green light meant that it was a slow charge, a trickle charge. And on this one, I'm not sure what it means. Let's press it again. Let's press it really fast. Okay, now it's off. That is, so if you want to charge this thing up, you would probably use the USB-C. Charge it up, and then afterwards, if you want to charge a cell phone or something, you can charge it from USB-A or USB-C. So you're going to need, I just did a video review of the 45-watt power adapter, AC adapter that they sell. You really need to have a powerful adapter so you can charge this thing. Otherwise, you're going to be charging it for days with a standard 2 ampere. So let's check this out. I know it's off, so I don't expect it's going to do anything right now. I've got my cell phone over here. I've got an OtterBox case, so I don't think it's going to... Hopefully it's going to go through the OtterBox case and charge. Let's do this. Press the button. I don't know if the light's on. I don't know if anything happened. The light is on. I don't know where the Q charges on this thing. Let's press it again. kind of hard to see, but I think the green light means it's on. And then you've got 3 little lights over there, so we've got some charge on here. And I still don't have anything that's showing that it's doing a charge wireless. I don't know where the QI sensor is on the cell phone, but if it doesn't work through an OtterBox, then I will probably return this. This is going to be a video on how to turn on fast wireless charging on your Samsung device. Let's go over to the wagon wheel at the top, where you're going to press Settings. You're going to scroll all the way down until you find Battery and Device Care. You're going to click on Battery. And we have wireless power sharing, which you don't want to do. You scroll down a little further, more battery settings, fast wireless charging, super fast charging, fast charging, show charging information, show battery percentage, and so you get the idea. You need to go down to the settings and the battery and turn these things on. If you don't do that, you will not be able to do fast wireless charging. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Affiliate links in the video description, along with a PayPal donation link. Thank you for watching. So if you're doing this on a Samsung, you want to go to the settings. You want to scroll down to Battery and Device Care. You want to click on Battery. You want to go down to the bottom, more battery settings. Make sure that these are on, fast wireless charging. If it's not on, it's not going to charge. Now, let's test this thing out. We've got it connected to the USB-C. Your cell phone may vary depending on where the wireless charger is set. We are wirelessly charging right now. We just got that going at 25%. Fast wireless charging, 2 hours, 11 minutes. If I plug in the 45-watt Anker power brick directly to the phone, it's 58 minutes. If I plug in the Samsung 2-amp power brick that comes with it, it's about maybe an hour, 2 hours, an hour and a half, 2 hours, something like that. Why did I buy this thing? I bought it strictly for the wireless. I bought it for 2 reasons. I wanted a power brick. I wanted a power bank, and this will allow me to have a power bank. Had a power failure here 2 weeks ago. Power's off for 9 hours. All of my power banks were not charged up for at least a year. Luckily, I had some power. I was able to get the phone working. This thing, I will pay more attention to keeping it charged up. The other reason that I have this is at nighttime, I just don't like having to go to the bottom of this thing and pull out my, get out the cables and plug everything in. And if you deal with electronics, even though these things are made properly, over time, one of the things that goes on most cell phones is the USB port. Just from plugging it in and out all the time, in and out and in and out and in and out. So, we got this thing charging right now. The thing I don't like is that when you put this thing on here, if you bump it, you're never going to know that you're not charging unless you look. So I think it's worth it. I would definitely consider buying the 10,000. If you don't care about the wireless charging, then I would go with the 20,000 milliamp. It's not that much more money. I did a video review of that too on my channel. Check it out. Thanks for watching. And I want to show you over here, I'm going from the USB-A to the USB-C on the cell phone, and I'm still doing a fast charge. This is not fully charged up. I looked online. They're online, and their manuals are almost worthless. The green light, I guess, tells you that it is charging. Supposedly you can't do a pass-through, so you cannot charge this thing while you are charging or powering something else up. The minute you go to charge this unit up, you cannot power anything through the USB-A, and probably the same for wireless. I'm not sure if that's true. There are 4 lights over here, so I guess the green light says that the unit's on, and then the 4 lights will say 25, 50, 75, and 100% charge. When the unit's charged, or when whatever you're charging is charged up, supposedly all these lights go off. And this little, where was that thing over here? This is a stand. It's supposed to be a stand. Does it turn? I don't want to break it. It's a stand so that you can hold your phone up, I guess. I don't know. What the heck is this? I don't know what it is. I'm not going to use it. But the USB-A does work, the USB-C does work, and I just plugged it in. It's not even charged up well. The wireless is working. The thing that I didn't like, I don't understand this one. I bought this LED battery, LED light, and when I plug it in, oh, now it's working. Go figure that out. When I had it plugged in before, it didn't come on. I'm a happy guy. I'm a very happy guy. So check out my video review of this LED light on the channel. Check out my, well, you're watching the video review of this thing, and also check out my video review of the 45-watt Anker power adapter, power brick, AC adapter, whatever you want to call it. Just bought all 3 of them, and I'm a happy guy.